Morning Message, Lesson Day 31, English. Good morning, first grade crew. It's Miss Julia again. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. We have another day of English lessons planned for you all. We understand that it isn't the easiest to stay motivated while we are all at home and away from one another, but your teachers are amazed at your hard work and resilience. Shoutouts to you all. First grade rocks. Our Explica value for today is speak your truth. Remember that speaking your truth means saying what you feel or believe, even when it may be difficult. Speaking our truth allows us to build trust among our friends, classmates, and others in our lives. Our question of the day is, when was a time that I stood up for someone else or myself? Today you will complete 10 to 15 minutes of word study, think creatively to solve problems, solve subtraction word problems, and write the body of your letter. As always, we're here to help if you have any questions or need some extra support. Don't forget about your small group time. Parents, remember that office hours are available to you as an opportunity to voice questions or concerns about content. Have a great day, friends. Love Mr. CJ, Miss Nadia Rose, Miss Giovanna, and Miss Julia.